Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings and those over the age of 30, we'll say, on YouTube. So, today is November favorites. It's not a ton this month, but I really love these, and one is an item that I think is a really good gift. Before we get into it, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out, and leave me a comment in the comments below with what your favorite thing was this month. I love people's favorite things, and coming up in December, we're gonna do a lot of those end of year reviews, and I think there might be just a general overall favorite things video, possibly. Okay, so to get us started, I'm gonna go straight with the gift item. Okay. Don't judge me, I bought another lip kit. If you have not seen my video on the lip gift sets, it's right here. Some of those sets are now on deep discount already at Sephora. I know the Bite one is already like $10 off, which is bonkers because that's a kit that's pretty popular every year. But anyway, yes, I bought one more. Please don't judge me. This one is also on sale. So this one is the Sephora Midnight Kisses Lip Stories set. It comes with 6 full-size Sephora lipsticks. I actually love the Sephora Lip Stories line. Like, even when I busted these out, because I have worn some of them already, and wore them, I was like, my gosh, it is just a great lipstick. Like, it's super creamy, highly pigmented, it's not like a long, by no means is it claiming to be a long-lasting lipstick, but it is just a good lipstick, and for that price point, it's crazy good. So it was $28. It's on sale, I believe now for like 18, 16, I don't know, it's crazy. But full size. Now, the one caveat on this, if you are going to give it as a gift, I'm going to start swatching and talking at the same time. If you're going to give it as a gift, this color is beautiful. This is for your adventurous lipstick lover, because these are all a bit of out there bold shades. This is not the Bite set or the Bare Minerals. Look at that. The Bare Minerals set that has, you know, warm nude colors and pinks like this. This is neither one of those. This is a Trish McAvoy. This is, wait for it, bold, deep purple eggplant goth colors. So I think this is great for the person who, you know, is a makeup lover. I think this is great for like a college student or a teen who is going to experiment a little more. Excuse me that I now have like reflux as I do this. This one is the closest to a nude, and even that has such like a taupey brown color. I don't think it's for all. And then the last one, wait for it, this is the best. This color, oh good, you can, I'm checking in the monitor, you can see, I mean, that is just metallic of metallics. It is pure metallic copper goodness. It looked crazy on my lip, but I then put this more neutral one on top of it, and it was beautiful. So, I'm loving it. It's a fun, sorry, I know you can't hear me over the crackling of the Kirkland makeup wipes bag. It is a fun set. Like, it is just fun, kind of more out there colors than you see in some of the other sets. So I highly recommend this one, and the fact that they're 6 full size and they're on sale for like 18, that's $3 a lipstick, okay? Drugstore lipsticks are not that price. So highly recommend it. And of course, it will be in the description box below. So if you're like, oh, I gotta go get it, just click there. Hopefully it's still there by the time this video goes up, but I think it will be. I will go back to beauty stuff in a second. I'm looking at, it's all sitting right there. But first I wanted to show you, I hinted last time that I'd have another pair of shoes for you. Shoes will not be a normal thing in these, but just, I happen to get 2 pairs. So, these are J. Crew Velvet Mule Slides. I didn't even think I liked mule slides because I think they're kind of, and I still do, I think they're kind of hard to wear, like your foot staying in them and not this hitting at the right spot where it doesn't cause a blister is hard to do. But I saw these while I was at, I saw them a lot at Nordstrom, but they were about to put them away while we were at the counter paying for something. I was like, can I just try it on? And it looks so beautiful on the foot that I kept thinking about them. So I waited for them to go on sale because they were, I believe, like $130. And they went on sale for $90. So still, for me, a pricey investment shoe. But, okay, so now it focused. I hope that is showing just the beautiful, it is a plush velvet on this shoe. Such a gorgeous shoe. So fun for holidays, but still at work we're like, I don't want to wear heels all the time. I can just feel a little bit festive. Okay, the next thing. This is a game changer. If you haven't jumped on board, jump on board. I don't know how this became so obscenely popular. Well, I have a couple theories. Because I've never seen an ad for it, but it is caught on like wildfire on the internet. If you are in Facebook groups, some videos here on YouTube, the Revlon all-in-one dryer and brush, and it has to be this like oval one, is game-changing. So it brushes your hair while blow drying. And I had one of these back in high school and it did a terrible job. This does a great job. So you've got it plugged in, it's blow drying as you go through it. I'm thinking I might do a demo on it, but it might be kind of hard here. I'm not sure. We'll see. Not in this video, it might be in a different video, but it's amazing. Now, this is day 2 hair, and I had put it in a ponytail before, so I still have that line, but I showed it on my Insta story, and I really think I might do a separate video just on it to show you how good it is. I used it yesterday, and yeah, just brushed through my wet hair, and it dried as I brushed, and it was silky and smooth with just a little bit of wave to it. It was a little frizzy because I have fine hair. Threw in a little bit of whey oil, done and done. Easy peasy, glossy, beautiful hair. So the reason I bring this up now, oh, first off, it's got like the most insane long cord. The reason I bring this up now is because I bought it at Ulta literally on Black Friday. If you saw my Insta story, you knew I was heading in there. And I picked up a couple. Some people might be getting them as gifts. And it was $30 instead of $60. And I know for Black Friday, Amazon put it $30 instead of $60 as well. And I know both places have already completely sold out. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, they're back. I have a feeling they will go on sale again before Christmas. I can't guarantee it. I'm not in touch with the Ulta or Amazon people. I just have a feeling it'll happen again. So keep your eye out. But even at $60, it's really good. Now, the one issue, or like the two things I think you should know, it is heavy. Like, I was kind of surprised. It's heavy. Also, our blow dryers have just gotten so light that it was kind of like, oh, this is a lot of work. And it's bulky. You can see, like, my hand barely fits around. It's bulky. There were points where I was using both hands to go through it. The other thing is it the most powerful blow dryer in the world? No. But it gets the job done. And to be able to do it with one hand instead of your blow dryer hand and your brush hand, yeah. So I'm in love. Everybody should go get these. And I will try, if I remember when I edit this, I will try to put links below to both Ulta and Amazon, because I know some people want points and some people want the 2-day shipping, so just know they'll be below. Okay, I'm not gonna harp on this long because there's a whole video about it. But let's just be real. This Germ Store box is one of my favorite things of the month. Thank you again to Talene for bringing it into all of our lives. I'm so glad she messaged me about it. Now, I think it might still be available. Somebody in a comment in a different video made it sound like this is still in Target stores. You just have to go looking for it, or they might be getting more. So go around, look. I bought 2. And if you want to know more of all the goodness that's inside here for $25, I did a whole other video. So if this is the first one of mine you're watching, you're gonna want to go check out this video, and I will link it in a card right here. But let's just face it, this was the best thing that happened to a lot of us in November, okay? This is great. Okay, so a product I think a lot of people are sleeping on. Like, don't sleep on this product. It's pretty spectacular. These are the Sephora exfoliating wipes. If you have not tried these, go into a Sephora and grab one and rub it on your hand. First off, like, I'm not a huge makeup wipe fan, right? I use my Kirkland ones just to wipe stuff off. I've used Neutrogena ones. They leave too much of a residue. They broke me out. I've used the simple ones. I do like the Yes to eye makeup ones. Those are the ones I found to be best. I was in a Sephora and, oh, it was when I got my makeup done at Sephora, and she brought me the charcoal exfoliating. These are the papaya. They smell amazing. I kind of want to rub it on my face just because it smells amazing. And what it is one side, let's see if it'll block my face. Okay, so one side is just flat plain cloth. The other side has little bumps. I hope that's showing. I'm checking it in the screen, I can't tell. But there's little bumpies all over it. And I thought, yeah. Oh, it's gonna be like the mildest exfoliant. Like, great, you put bumps on it, Sephora, like nothing's gonna happen. No guys, this is gonna sound negative, I mean it in the best way. It's like sandpaper. Like, this is just, it is scratching my skin in a good way. Once again, I'm not making this sound good, but it's good. So all that to say, like, it really does exfoliate. So I would suggest, I mean, I bought these on impulse as I was leaving the, I was at like Cash Wrap. I am gonna buy the travel set. I know at least the watermelon exfoliating ones come in a travel pack. I'm gonna buy those to put in my bag because sometimes you don't wanna bring a whole exfoliator with you on a trip. But the fact that you can kind of like get off the majority of your makeup with this side and then flip it over and just go on with this side to really get in there and clean out. Like, this isn't something you should do all the time, but here and there, yes, please. And then this one, since it's papaya extract, it has a more luminous complexion. It should add an instant shot of brightness and radiance. I just like that it smells super good. The watermelon ones are good too. The charcoal obviously is good if you have acne issues, kind of like I do right now. Every November, December. I think it's just that I eat more sugar. That's my guess. Okay, so last thing is not beauty related. It is just something I do every year, and so I wanted to recommend it to all of you because it is a favorite thing. I will probably do, like, well, yeah, this will end up in some other favorite thing video, I'm sure. But that is my Cultivate What Matters Power Sheets. These are my new 2019s. I am obsessed with goal setting. I love setting goals. I think you know, if you don't write things down, they don't happen. So if you have not heard of Power Sheets, I will link to all of it below. It's not an affiliate link. I am not an affiliate of them. I just have used them for 6 years, 7 years, and think they're the best. So what this is, this giant book, you go through 2019, let's do this. You go through and you do all this prep work. So this whole part is prep, and it guides you, like, what went well this last year, what didn't go well. You get stickers. What do you want for this next year? So you fill out this page that says my most purposeful year. And then you go in and write your actual goals, and it prompts you through it. How are you going to make that happen? You write them down monthly. And then each month, let me get to it. It's really fine writing this time, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you write down your, like, monthly things, weekly things, and daily things you want to accomplish each month. I do these every month. This is partly how I've had 2 videos out a week for most of the year. And like when I did the 30 looks in 30 days in January at the beginning of the year, that was all documented on here. This year, you could also get this cute little Make It Happen pencil case that connects, it slides onto the cover, as well as like washi tape that matches it, and a goal setting sticker book. In all honesty, I don't think I needed all of this. I was just excited in the moment and did the bundle, but the sheets themselves are the main part, and they're great, and I love them. And so I just wanted to make sure all of you knew about them and had the opportunity to grab them as well. I love Laura Casey. I love her stuff. I think I recommended one of her books earlier this year as well. But If you are looking to be more intentional this year on goals, on what you want out of the year, can't see it fits over it. I already put it back on it. Can't recommend Power Sheets enough. Okay. So those are all my favorite things this month. Please leave me a comment below with what your favorite of the month is. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.